Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting prerequisites in order. Make sure your Lava phone is unlocked and charged, and that a tone file is available in downloads or on SD. Now open Settings and tap Sound and Vibration or Sound. You do this because the System Sound menu controls all notification sources. Once inside, check that the ringtones and notifications sections are visible. If a Options gear or App Permissions block access, grant storage permission so the file manager can add a custom tone. You now pick the sound. Tap Notification Sound to view built-in options and recent selections. If you want a custom file, choose Add or the plus icon and navigate with files to Downloads or SD. Select the MP3/OGG you prepared. Make sure the file format is supported. Android prefers MP3 or OGG. If the tone does not appear, move it into the ringtones folder at the root using the file manager so the system indexes it. Once selected, the preview should play immediately. You finish by confirming the chosen notification sound and exiting settings, then trigger a test notification or use the preview button to verify it plays. If you don't hear it, restart the phone and check volume/do not disturb. System updates can change behavior. If problems persist, clear the settings app cache or reset app preferences so sound defaults reapply. As a final tip, ensure the tone file is MP3/OGG and under reasonable bitrate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.